Teacher Juan from Dimas School presents the balance board do it yourself. All you need is stick glue, hot glue or any other glue you have, a rope, a fruit box or a big box instead. You need toilet or kitchen paper cardboard roll. You also need scissors, a marker, and a pencil. That's all you need. Let's begin. Mark the rolls to cut them to the size you want. You'll need at least 10 pieces. Cut them into pieces. The more you have to choose from, the better it is. Don't you think? Take the best 10 you have. 10. Put them in order. Now, mark them all from 1 to 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. There we go. Take the fruit box, the glue, and the rolls. And now, let's glue it together. You can place it wherever you want. Just make it fun. Now, pick up the scissors and the rope. Take both ends from the tips and match them together. Hold the rope twice. And make a cut in the middle of the folds. Good. Get the ropes, pass them through the holes, and tie them tight. Use the scissors to help you pass the rope through the hole. And now it's time to play! You can use a marble or a small ball you have around the house. Or take it from the ropes and make it a little harder. You can also play with your family, grabbing one rope each. Enjoy it! Bye!